This is the Blessed Man. Welcome back to this video series that talking about how to effectively build a team in any network marketing business, such as magnet ecosystem. All right, I'm using magnet as an example because there is an element of networking and team building in the ecosystem. All right, so we are using it as a case study in this series. Okay, so in the first part, we talked about what you need to do at the pre-launch stage of this ecosystem, and we discussed three things or three strategies that you need to use. And so in this video, we are going to continue with the team building strategies. You know, the exact thing that you need to do in order to build your team and make lots of money. All right, so these team building strategies we're going to talk about. Number one is to identify and recruit leaders. Now, in this type of business, what works is that your money is in the hand of people, and it is about your leadership skill, ability to duplicate, ability to be able to expand your network, and that is what is going to make you the money. So what you need to do first is not to go for retail investors, or what do I call it, retail business people. The best strategy for you to use is for you to go for capable leaders that have leadership skills, people that have network marketing experience, people that have strong online presence, people that have community. All right, these are the type of persons you have to locate. And how do you get these people? It's a matter of research. Okay, first of all, you can get these people through a business you've done before in the past. You can get these people through referrals. You can go online and begin to search for people who are promoting one project or the other. All right, another way is that you can actually Google it. Okay, you can, for instance, go and type and say MLM WhatsApp groups in US, MLM WhatsApp group in Italy, MLM WhatsApp group in Africa. Okay, just type such query on Google. You will be able to get the links of so many WhatsApp groups where the people that have interest in network marketing are, and then you can join the group and see the people who are posting there, approach them one-on-one, and then introduce this business you are doing to them. There are so many other ways. You know, there are other strategies we're going to talk about later in future in this channel about how to effectively build your team using the social media as a veritable tool for yourself. Okay, so now identify, however you want to identify these people, identify these leaders, and once you are able to identify these leaders, what you need to do now is to recruit them. You know, it's a process. You know, when people look at businesses, network marketing, they just think you throw your link. No. If you are running a business, a normal business, you need to recruit people, and there are processes of recruitment. You need to look at the qualities of the people you are getting into your business. You need to orientate them. You need to train them on what you want them to do. The second thing you need to do is to leverage the social media. Now, when you look at the first strategy that we talked about in the pre-launch stage, we talked about you being able to build a strong online presence, and one of these online presence you need to build strongly is your social media handles. And now at this team building stage strategies, you need to now leverage on this online presence that you have built to post valuable content, things that are related to your business or your niche, things that are related to, but make sure that when you are doing this, you are really adding value to people. It's about you adding value. Let people not see you directly as if you're trying to market them. It is about giving value, you know, posting content that will help to change people's lives, posting content that will help somebody to learn new things. You know, just leverage on these social medias and post a lot of content, and begin to build your business gradually. Let people know about your business. You can leverage on these social media handles also to showcase your earnings in the business that you're promoting. You're promoting magnet ecosystem. Remember that this team building stage is at the time that this business has been launched already. You now have evidence, you have something to show to people. This is the time to showcase it. Use Instagram to show videos of your earnings, your large team, your seminars. You just have to, anytime you have a seminar, post it online, let people see it. It's a real business, you are building it, and there's no way you should shy away from your business, because business is business, and if you're going to make money in the business, you need to come out fully to say, this is my business. You don't have to be ashamed about it at all. So the third way, or the third strategy in this team building strategy, is to host regular webinars. All right, you need to host regular webinars, and you have to be consistent with it, because if you are building any business and people need to understand that business for them to grow, you need to constantly train people on that business to understand the concept, understand how they work, understand how to make money in the business, help them to build their own team, because it's about duplication. The power of duplication, that's what will make you the money in network marketing. In magnet ecosystem, for instance, the larger your team, the larger the money, because there's a whole lot of money to be earned actively and passively when you are building a team in this ecosystem. So it is important right now that you start hosting seminars. All right, start hosting webinars to teach people about the business, let them understand the processes of the business, help them to understand the working of the business and how they can make money with it. Show them your results in these webinars and show the result of other people who are actually doing this business with you. Once you can be able to tell people how this business can take them from point A to point B, they will have to believe in you. That's part of building authority that we're going to talk about in other videos we're going to be doing here. All right, so what you need to do is to make sure that you are hosting regular webinars, and you have to be very, very consistent with this. For example, in magnet ecosystem, even before the business was launched, or the business is launched. Right now we're at the pre-launch stage at the time of recording this video, but since 2021 November we started having seminar every single Monday, and then we brought it online. Before you know it, every single week we must have a webinar to talk to people about the ecosystem. That's how to build, and that's how we're able to come to where we are today in results. So you have to apply this. It works in every other business that you are doing. Regular webinars for you to be able to get the people acquainted with what they are doing. Okay, number 3 or number 4 strategy right now is use personalized outreach. Use personalized outreach. Okay, what do we mean by personalized outreach? This is the time to interact. One of the greatest tools of network marketing is one-on-one marketing. Okay, personalized marketing. You can use email, you can use phone contact, you can use the people you are seeing in your organization, in your church, in your office, anywhere you see them, on the road, inside a cab, wherever you find yourself, one-on-one. First of all, remember that one of the orientation you need to have in this kind of business, you don't have to be afraid, have to be ashamed of your business. It is a business you are doing. Everybody is selling something, and everybody that is selling something is selling it to someone. So if people can sell their product to you and buy, the clothes I am wearing is bought and somebody talked me into buying it. All right, so don't be afraid, don't be ashamed to talk about your business. So one-on-one is a useful tool if you must be able to do well in this network marketing business. So talk to people about your magnet ecosystem. Talk to people one-on-one. Engage them anywhere you find anybody. Just make sure that you deliver the message. And what's the message? Tell them what magnet is, how magnet has helped you, and how magnet is going to help them. Remember, very simple process. What is magnet? How magnet has helped you, and how magnet can help them. The same thing with whatever business you are promoting. Of course, remember that this strategy works when the business has started working already. So you need to first of all talk about the platform, talk about how it has transformed your own life or what it has added to your life, and then tell them how the same thing can actually add life to them too. That's the number 4 strategy. Number 5 strategy is to give incentive to your team. Incentivize your team. Very, very, very important. Now, let me tell you that science says that an object remains at a state of rest until a force is applied. It applies in everything, in business, it applies everywhere, okay? If you don't push human beings, however you want to do it, if you don't push human beings, they're not going to move, they're not going to work. Remember that your money in this business is about duplication. Recruitment and duplication is enlarging your network is what will make the money. So how do you enlarge your network? You need to give incentives to people. You need to do promotions, okay? For example, right now in our team, sometimes we do recharge card giveaways. Give away this recharge card, just motivate people. Sometimes what you need to do is to start, you can run promo. For instance, this is magnet ecosystem. You can say anybody that hits level 7, level 8 between so time and so time, this is what you're going to give to them. Yes, all that is required of you is to discuss with your leaders and say, okay, from all the money you're going to make from this structure, you're going to bring us this percentage and we're going to use it to buy something, an item for people who will qualify to that particular level. And then you just set this money aside, use it and buy materials. Can be phone, could be laptop, can even buy a car. Just run promos for people, give them incentive, tell them what they're going to benefit when they get to a certain stage, and you see the person killing themselves in order to go and get there. That's how human beings work. Everybody really wants something that's working, and once you offer something for people for free, they will jump at it. Tell them you're going to give them a car, for example. Yeah, the person can work and actually buy a car, but that one that you have said you're going to give is the one he's going to focus on, because people like free things. Use these strategies to build your team. And remember, this is team building strategy, meaning that your business is already working, your business is already there. So the money you are earning from the business, you use the same money to run promos, to give incentives to people and then expand your network. Okay, that is a very useful strategy. And then strategy number 6 is to engage your team on trainings and support. Engage your team. There's difference between seminars, workshop, and training. All right, when you do webinars or when you do presentations, you're actually trying to prospect people. You want them to see the business. You want to hype it, okay? You want to do some marketing gimmicks to get them into doing what we are doing. But that's not training, man. When people now get in, they need to be trained. They need to get information. That's why I'm giving you this information right now about how you can effectively build team. Part of this team is this video that I am running right now, because I'm going to give it out to my team. I'm going to give it out to people, right? And then they are going to learn how to do these things. They are going to learn it. It's simple. It's as simple as ABCD. Okay, so this is what is important. Train people. Give them training. There are people who are doing this business, they don't know how to recruit. Teach them how to recruit. They don't know how to lead people, how to manage people. You need to teach them how to manage people. And it is important that you run these trainings from time to time, okay? That is another strategy you are going to use. Remember, we're talking about team building strategies. All right, so strategy number 7 is to gradually build a community and foster a community culture, right? Constantly build a community and then foster a community culture. Now, let me give you an example. Magnet ecosystem, as far as Africa is concerned, we have a culture right now. This is a business. We built the business for over 1 year before the launch of the business. Okay, today, as at the time of making this video, we are still building the business. Magnet has not launched, but we now have a community of people, community of like-minded people, people that now knows that a particular day there's training, a particular day there's seminar, there's webinar. They know how we do things. We share informations around, we share some secret informations about crypto, and then people make money. You understand me? Just try to foster a culture. Let people know you. for a particular thing. Let people know you for a particular thing. It is very, very important for you to know these things, and it is really, really going to help you to build your business and take your business to the next level. So build a community. Don't just just throw link at people, make money from them and run away, you leave them. No, that's not how to do. You gather a team of people, you build your WhatsApp group, and you abandon them into another business. You started promoting a particular business, and before you know it, you jump into another one. No, that's not how to build a community. Build a community of like-minded people, people that believe you, people that always follow you. Okay. And then finally, the final strategy here is to look for helpful tools, online tools that will help you to build your team. Tools like email marketing softwares, you can use it. You can use some customer relation management, that's CRM softwares that will help you to build your business. Funnel systems or funnel apps or funnel, what's it called, softwares that will help you to build a funnel and then make your business to be automated. Now, one of the things is, as you start growing, when you begin to scale up your business, you discover that you need to start automating the business, otherwise you will die of activity. You can imagine where everybody is trying to chat to you, everybody is trying to get your attention, but you need to set a system whereby you can, with one click, send all of them message, be able to communicate, they can reach you, and then start without wearing you out. It's important for you to use some of these tools that will help you to build this business for yourself. All right, so that is where we are. And remember, if you're on this channel, you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification icon that will enable you to get other series of this particular training and other trainings I'm going to run, and then also to get updates about magnet ecosystem. If you're watching this video and nobody actually gave you this particular video that is a magnet, you can check out the description of this video. If you find a link to magnet, you can go ahead and register, start doing your business. You can actually contact me from here also, and then we will help you to build your team and mentor you for you to be able to make success in magnet ecosystem. In the next series, I'm going to be talking about network marketing strategies, specific network marketing strategies that you are going to use to build your team. So one more time, this is the Blessed Man. I'll see you in my next video.